Hey, well, in this video, we'll see what is pre-shined URLs in S3 bucket. Okay, so before doing that, you should understand first what is that pre-signed URLs. Okay, so for now, I will just tell you suppose you have your bucket. Okay, so you have created a bucket that is private, right? But you want to share some files to someone. Okay, so what you will give, that is like you will give a temporary access of that file to someone, and you just share that URL and they will be able to access it. So I will just show you how you can do this in your bucket. So just for the demonstration, you need to first create a bucket. If you have a bucket, then I will tell you how you can do it. So my bucket, I will give some random number to make it unique, and just create a bucket first, and also I will upload some files here. So here I have this bucket, and I will just upload one file. Click on add files, and this index.html I just want to upload. Okay, and yeah, so file is uploaded. Let's close it and just select this, and you will see somewhere share with a pre-signed URL, right? Here we just go in actions and click on this button, and for how many minutes you want this file to be active. So okay, I will just give 2 minutes for now, and create a pre-signed URL. File has been created and copied to your clipboard. That's fine. So if I click OK, it's copied to my clipboard. That's fine. So I'll just go and do Control V and enter. So you can see it is able to access this one, the page my S3 bucket. Okay, so we'll just wait for 2 minutes. So currently it's 20 to 25. I will till then I'll just pause the video for 2 minutes and we'll start again. Okay, so now it's more than 2 minutes. So again, I'll just go here on this one and click to reload. It should say something. Okay, so you can see access denied, right? So in this way, you can give access to someone just for a few minutes or a few hours if you need. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.